Good day to you all. My name is Tawanda Mendi. With me here I have Michelle Mugweni. We are going to demonstrate on two tools, one for ethical hacking and the other one for digital forensic. I'm going to take you through the ethical hacking tool, which is John the Ripper, and Michelle is going to demonstrate on the one called Pro Discover Basic. So firstly, let me show you how you install John the Ripper. It is an open source. What you simply do, you just type John the Ripper, then it will navigate to this one. Then you go under the open world. You are going to get through this one, right? So if you are using a 64-bit, you can download this, and if you are using a 32-bit, you can download this. I'm using a 64-bit Windows. I've already downloaded this one. So if you click, it will start to download. So already I have downloaded. Then if you download, you are going to get this compressed file, right? Then you are also going to extract a folder called John, which is inside this one. So inside the folder John, there are three documents: doc, etc, then run. We are also going to use this folder, which is called run, to crack our passwords. So suppose I want to encrypt this file so that no one can use this file. So let me encrypt this file to a zip file. So you say right click, then you add to archive. I want it to be zipped. You can let it to be raw or like so. Let's set the password so that no one can access our folder. So I'm going to show you the password for the purpose of studying. Like I'm going to say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That is our password that we are going to set. Say okay, then we say okay, right? We now have this this folder called assignments, and now let's treat this one, right? Then if you have this folder, if you try to open it, it is going to ask you the password because we have encrypted this file, so it will going to ask you the password. So suppose I forgot the password. How am I going to use John the Ripper to create the password? So the next thing you need to do, you need to copy this file to the folder John under run. So let's say copy, we go under run, then we say paste. Let's paste. So the folder, the assignment, is now inside the run folder. Right, now after that, close. We go to our command prompt. If you go to our command prompt, we are using the desktop, so we're going to say change directorate. We're going to use the desktop. We're going to use the desktop, and on the desktop we are going to use the folder called John. So we're going to change to John. Then under John, we also highlight that we are going to use the folder run, so change to run. Then after that, we want to create a file, the hash file that we are going to use to create the password. So we are going to say zip to John, then space. The name of the folder is assignments dot with an extension file zip, and let's store this the hashes that we want to create into a folder called on a t hash, then say enter, right? So these ones are the documents which are inside our folder called assignment. These are the documents, right? And let's check if we have managed to create the th file that is going to be used by John. The th file creates a word list where there are many possible passwords which are going to be used by John the Ripper to crack our password. So let's see if we have the t hash file. Yes, we have this one. We now have this t hash file. So let's close, then let's move on. So after creating the t hash file, so we are going to ask John to use that t hash file, like say John space double negative 2 signs, then say word list, then say word list is equal to password, then dot list space, we're going to use the folder t hash and say enter. Right, the session is completed. Right, the session is completed, and our password for this is this one. This one is our password. This one is our password. We've managed to crack the password using John the Ripper. So if you may copy the password and maybe try to use it to open. Let's see if we can now open any folder. Let's try to open the folder. This is our password. You can now be able to open. So this is how John the Ripper works. It is used also on PDF files to also crack the passwords. So the session is ended within a short period of time. So here is our document opening now. Our document is opening. So we've managed to open our file. See, yes, we've managed to open our file. So that's how John the Ripper works. So thank you. Michelle is going to take you through the digital forensic tool. Thank you.